I am loving my hair up like this. I am loving it. You guys know I'm always wearing my hair down with a topper or just, you know, clipped up, half down. But I really like the way this looks. And, you know, I've worn my hair up before, but it didn't look this good. And it only took literally seconds to do. So if you want to see what piece I have in my hair, just keep watching. Look at this. I know it doesn't look like much, but this is a bun scrunchie, you guys. It's human hair. Look at this. Human hair. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And basically, you just put your hair up like this. I'm going to keep a little bit out. It's just literally 1, 2, 3, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. That's it. That's it. That's it. Look how cute. It just gives, height. It makes it look a little messy. How adorable. I mean, did that not take like 5 seconds? Not even, just to do. You can even wear it like a low bun. So basically, take your hair, look, just twist it. Come on, look how adorable that is. You know, like so cute. I'm just playing with it. It's just literally so easy to do. Look, you can go like that. Look. Oh yeah, we can definitely make this look sexy. Again, tie it up. Now you don't have to wear the clip. I keep the clip in. You know, guys, you know me. Like this. Look, let's do it slow. You can do it like this. Come on. Oh, I'm loving this. I am absolutely loving this piece. Look at it. Wait, with the exception of this. It's my hair. But look, so you can keep it like that, and then you can make it like a little messy. You know what I'm saying? Make it a little messy, pull your hair out. I mean, anything goes with this piece. It is absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you absolutely will get this piece for yourself because it is a lifesaver. It's so good if you want to go, like if you have somewhere to go, throw your hair up, and it just looks so adorable.